Want to set a homepage using Elementor on your WordPress site? In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can start designing your dream website with ease. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Just a heads up, I've included my Elementor affiliate link in the description. If you're planning to use Elementor, I'd really appreciate your support. Now, start by opening your browser and heading to the admin panel of your WordPress website. From the left-hand side menu, click on Pages, and then click on Add New Page. Give your new page a title, something like Home Page or New Home Page, and then hit the Publish button on the right-hand side. Once that's done, scroll down in the side menu and go to Settings, then Reading. On the Reading Settings page, you'll see a section labeled Your Homepage Displays. From the Homepage drop-down menu, select the page you just created. It may be set to Home by default, but you can change it to your new homepage. Click Save Changes to confirm. Next, from the side menu, head over to Appearance, and then click on Menus. On the Menus page, under the Add Menu Items section, switch the tab to View All. You'll see the new homepage listed here. Just check the box next to it and click Add to Menu. This will move the page into the Menu Structure section. Don't forget to click Save Menu once that's done. Now go back to Pages and then All Pages. Find the new homepage you created, click Edit, and then click on Edit with Elementor. Give it a second to load the Elementor editor. Now, you can start dragging and dropping widgets. For example, drag a container onto the page. You'll be prompted to add text. And on the left panel, under the Content tab, you can insert your heading. In the Style tab, you can align it however you like, left, center, or right. Once you're happy with the layout, click Publish at the top right. That's it. Your new homepage is live and fully customizable using Elementor. For example, on my site, I had an existing homepage and just created a new one. Both now appear on the site, and you can switch between them easily. That's it. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.